Right, let's dive into our today's problem. Determine the minimum sum of k avoiding array. It says you are given two integers n and k. An array of distinct positive integer is called k avoiding array if there does not exist any pair of distinct element that sum to k. We need to return the minimum possible sum of avoiding k avoiding array of length n. So we have given n is equal to 5 and k is equal to 4. So we'll start off with, can we add 1? We can add 1. We need to find the minimum sum. So let's start with the small where numbers can start from 1, right? So we'll have our this one, and then can I add 3 to it? I can't add because that will sum them to 4. So I'll add 3 to my skip list. Then can I add 2? Yes, I can't add 2 anymore. Anyway, these are distinct. So can I add 3? I can't add because 3 is already in the skip list. Can I add 4? I can add 4. Then my number of elements are still less than 5. So can I add 5 there? I can add. Can I add 6 there? I can add. So this is the resulting array which has the sum is 18, and there will be no minimum because we are proceeding with the lowest possible and adding to a skip list if that sums to the given k. So that's approach what we are going to take. Let's have our set initialized, and we'll have the corresponding, let's call it as skip set. So now we can say initially I have number of elements in my bucket is 0, and let's start with minimum 1. So while my size is less than the given n, I'll iterate it over. I'll check if the current num is present in my skip list. If it contains this num, I can say continue over the next element, and we need to increment the corresponding number as well. So otherwise what it could be that num does not exist in the skip list, so I can add it to my ongoing sum. So let's have the sum. We can add this number. Since we have added this number, that means our size has increased, and then I can say the difference, which is k minus this num. If my difference is positive, then only I add it to my skip list. So skip dot add this difference, and then I can increase the corresponding num. At last we'll just return the corresponding sum. Let's try to run it over example suits. So we have 18, 3, 1875. These are the examples. Let's try to hit submit. It's accepted. Let's see the corresponding runtime. Yep, it's 3 milliseconds and it beats 100%. Thank you.